wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best screw bit sets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Titan Tools 16061 comes with a wide assortment of uncommon shapes and sizes that should help you handle weird fastener varieties like the tamper-proof hex. It's great for working on projects around the house and is equipped with a solid 2.5-inch holder. The pieces seat firmly in drills and it's a budget-friendly choice. However, the case cover is fragile. At number 9, if you work with technology, having the Syntus Precision in your bag will save you a lot of trouble. It's ideal for fixing cell phones, tablets, video game consoles, and other electronics, especially since the flexible shaft is helpful for getting into tight spaces. Ribbing keeps the pieces secure, and the tray pops up to a 90-degree angle, but the tips can round off. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Unlike many others, the Bosch T4021 doesn't come in a bulky plastic box. Instead, all 21 pieces fit into a compact fabric storage pouch with built-in belt loops to ensure whatever you need is always within arm's reach. It includes a drive guide and a sturdy magnetic shaft. However, it is best for light-duty tasks. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for screw bit sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Irwin Tools Impact Series 1333 comes with 7 Robertson drives and is built from chrome molybdenum steel for withstanding torque from impact drivers. The pieces are forged rather than milled to ensure a long life. The black oxide finish resists corrosion and it includes long-reach Torx bits, but the case holds everything too tightly. Moving up our list to number 6, the comprehensive Craftsman Ultimate includes 208 components in a variety of sizes and designs, such as Phillips, Torx, hex, and more. They come in a compartmentalized red case that's hard to miss and convenient for transporting to and from job sites. It includes an adapter and 2 holders and features clearly labeled slots. It's a good value for the price. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Bosch T4047 offers a good value for the number of parts you get, though it's certainly not as comprehensive as some more expensive sets. It is especially useful for burying long screws into lumber and metal, and the power groove fits all quick-change systems. These are cold-tempered for strength with a tough titanium coating. The case has a sliding lock. At number 4, the Milwaukee 48-32-1551 features a magnetic drive guide that minimizes slipping and wobbling by holding long fasteners in place while the sleeve retracts, resulting in less stripping and damage. It's a high-quality option suitable for professional use. The forged tips provide a strong grip, and it includes 19 of the most commonly used designs. They're made from heat-treated steel. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Chapman Manufacturing 8900 is a durable selection that's heat-treated with black oxide to achieve a specific hardness between 52 and 55 on the Rockwell scale. It's machined in the USA for quality control and is ideal for use on sensitive equipment. It comes with a small ratchet, and these are a sturdy hollow ground build. It's used by all branches of the military. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for screw bit sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, each of the bits in the Makita E01644 is designed with torsion rings in their shafts that act as cushions to distribute the turning forces away from the tips, which helps prevent breakage. The case is ruggedly durable too, and the inserts are marked clearly. These are precision machined and include a comprehensive torque selection and a socket adapter. And taking the top spot on our list, the 45-piece dewalt DW2166 is a good choice for professional contractors who don't want any tool failure on their job site. It's also suitable for home DIYers. 8 of the included pieces are double-sided, so you get more sizes with fewer parts to keep track of. It's equipped with an extender, 2 extra long bits, and a durable ABS plastic case. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for screw bit sets, or simply click beneath this video.